So if you want to see like which files has been uploaded and which files is needed to be uploaded and what is going on, then you will be able to see all of them in the transfer section around over here. You will be able to see them, of course, in the floating window as well, where you see what is being uploaded and downloaded right here, but you can see it in much more detail around over here in the transfer section. And then while it is being uploaded, you can even go ahead and pause it and resume it or cancel the operation altogether as well right here. You will be able to see everything that is being downloaded over here on this section and all the things that has been completed uploading or downloading around over here in this section. So you can see that this is now completed. So now I can go ahead and delete off this record, or I can go around and view out the folder right here just like this on my computer, or click on the eyeglass icon to actually go ahead and view the uploaded file in my Terabox right here just like this. Apart from that, if I were to go around over here onto transfer right here just like this, so let's just go to transfer and go to completed right here. I can even go ahead and clear out all the records right here just like this, and then they all will be deleted. The records all will be deleted over there. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the logs and view the transfer logs inside of Terabox. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.